Hello and welcome back to Kryptoschnack. For all those who are new, welcome, and for those who are not, welcome back. Nice to have you all here. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can do that. Feel free to do that, and it would really help me and support my work and channel. So let's start and dive into the current market. So we are sitting at 10,100 for the Bitcoin, but we will dive in and we will talk about what just happened a few minutes ago. So we have Bitcoin sitting at 10,100 approximately. Then we have Ethereum at $340. And we see that Chainlink is gaining, but consider that the price is down to $12. This is actually interesting. It's always happening when Bitcoin is dumping or any other coins are dumping, that Chainlink is gaining. This is something I was talking about in another video before. It's pretty interesting to see. So consider that when you invest in Chainlink. And yeah, we have UMA gaining today, $15 the price right now. But also here consider that there was a massive move downwards, almost 20% yesterday and the day before. So if we check, we see that it was already at $20 and had a price market capitalization of 1.2 billion. But nevertheless, it seems like there is a turning point here and people are starting to buy more. Yeah, let's go down here. We have NEEM gaining a bit, and as said, UMA, and you see there's a lot of red going on here. So still the market hasn't been stabilized. Hedge trade, which was one of the winners yesterday, actually is losing $21 today. So big move, 21%, so big move back. And yeah, so let's just check the current winners. We have Ocean Protocol up by 22%. As mentioned, UMA, Bitchers are still in the winner column, and NXM gaining almost 10%. But you see the list is pretty, pretty small with those projects gaining right now. So let's dive into the current market. So what happened? I will just open the 4-hour chart. So if we dive into the 4-hour chart, we have the current situation could be actually bearish, because I will show you what we've got. We got a downtrend here, and this downtrend is not broken through yet. So we have to see how this turns actually out in the next few hours. But you see that we have here some trend going down. So the thing is, what I consider bullish, still bullish, and it happened just a few minutes ago again. We had seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and just right now we saw the 7th time trying to go below 10K. We have gone below 10K, but we immediately went above again. So the problem here is we are still in a downtrend. As mentioned with these lines, we have seen no higher highs, or we haven't seen, like as mentioned in my last videos, a point where we would go back up to the same price as mentioned here. So we built a bottom. We didn't do that yet. So we are still working our way down here, and this can go either direction. So I would be careful investing right now. If you do so, do it with a stop and loss, and consider certain price moves below 10K for a short time. And as mentioned, this line here, we have to break through the $10,250. We haven't done it here. We haven't stayed above the 10,600 here. So there must be something happening actually today or latest tomorrow, that we have to, either we stay here in this but then we have to decide, are we going further down? Then we could see like 9,400, or are we going back up? And this would then be the turning point to decide, okay, we go further up, back, doing a positive trend. If we do that, we could try to get here inside this column upwards trend that we had before. But we were trending upwards and tried to go further, and we couldn't reach it, and we did the same here. So this is like the question now where we will go. And at the current moment, it is possible that we're going to go down. We can go even down to 9,200. That is possible. And so we have to consider this fact that there might be some some problems with the price movement going upwards. So let's see how this works out at the end of the day. It also depends on the general stock market. We do see that the S&P 500 stabilized here. So if we consider this, it also depends what is happening today when the stock market opens at European time, or in my case German time, 3:30. Do we see a price move going up? Then Bitcoin could move with the S&P and the index funds together and move towards better priced. Then we do have as well Ethereum here, and Ethereum stabilized as well here, a bit more like the S&P 500. If you check this here, you see that this was a day chart. Sorry, we're gonna go into the day chart. So the same as Ethereum and S&P 500 sit a bit more close to each other, and we see that Bitcoin in this case has a negative trend. I take this out here right now, and you see that I put this line here, but what we haven't really stabilized here. The only support which we found was 10K. So this will be the key here, guys. 10K, is it gonna go break? If it breaks, we can go further down. It could go back to the level of 9,100. It can go to 9,600 and then turn back up. But the key here is, are we going to hold this 10K line? And right now it looks like it. It looks also not bad. And you see that those days candles finished down here at the exact same level. It's actually crazy. And if we do the same today, it would be 150. We are just 50 points away. So if we would finish at the same level, this is just crazy. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4 days at the exact time and the exact numbers. So it will be interesting to see. We had a red candle, green candle, red candle, green candle, and then we would see another positive or negative candle today. So let's see how this works out. And we are sitting at 10,090 right now. Of course, CoinMarketCap always takes the average of all exchanges. So in this case, my Capital.com trading account is stating the price a bit lower than the average. Nevertheless, this will be the key. Are we holding the 10K or not? If we do so, this will be bullish and we will see some turn towards a higher high again. But if that doesn't happen, we could go further down, and as said, then there will be the question where we find support. Yes, so guys, if you like my channel, any support, any hitting the subscribe button will help my channel. So feel free, and of course you can also support me on Patreon. I do have some offers and subscription models to help you to understand cryptocurrency better and learn about cryptocurrency. So feel free to check out my Patreon account. And guys, I wish you a nice start into the week. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I wish you all the best. Take care, guys.